I was standing right there and I literally saw the bird fly down with something in its mouth and just drop it. And she just dropped her baby because it died. Wow. I wonder if, let me see, was this what baby too? That's a rock. But, oh, little baby. Let me see. Yeah, you didn't make it. But you know what? You're going to be remembered because I'm going to take care of you. I'm going to bury you like you're supposed to be. Okay? Look at that. The mom brought the baby and dropped it here. I'm going to stay here for a while. Poor thing. And wait and see what the mom does. Nature. Yeah, nature.